Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add your own music to Insta story. So if you have a sound of your own or if you have recorded any audio and you want to add as your story audio, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first we have to go to Instagram. So for that, click onto your Instagram, and
Would you
once
live
you
in
get
this
there,
prison
click
with
onto the icon for story and upload the story. Whether it could be video, image, whatever you prefer, just simply select from your media files and upload it. Then on the top you will see the icon for music. You have to click onto it. Once you click onto it, you can see we have different categories for music like trending, for you, but we don't have the option to upload your own audio. So in that case, we need to use another platform because Instagram does not allow you to upload your own recorded audio, your own music from your mobile phone. So for that reason, we have to use CapCut. So just get back and make sure you have the CapCut app. Open it up and then simply choose the file that you want to upload as a story on Insta. Then you will see this option for add audio. Click onto it. Then you will see the first option, extracted. Simply click onto it, and after that you have to select the file from which you want to import the audio. Let's say you have the audio on a video that you want to use. Simply select that video. It will fetch the music from it. Otherwise, you can also record your own voice at the moment and put it as a background music. Once you have set it, simply export it. Once it gets exported, then it will save in your file. After that, simply go back to Instagram and select the file that we just edited in the CapCut. And now you will see we have the audio of our own. Then simply upload it as your story on Instagram. Once your story get posted, then you just simply click onto it, and then you will see that the voice we wanted or the music we wanted of our own has been uploaded as a music on our Insta story. So that's how you can add your own audio on Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.